And we are in the 6 minutes 100 days drawing challenge. And we are on episode number
76.
And today we are going to draw baby long legs.
Baby long legs from Poppy Playtime chapter
Chapter
2.
two.
So this is gonna be a very easy drawing of
No,
baby long
average.
legs.
Average.
Okay, average. A little difficult, but not very difficult.
Not very, it's normal.
Yeah. Let's get started. We need a black sketch pen. We are using a Sharpie, a white paper, and some colors.
Yeah.
We start?
Yeah.
And if you stay with us till the end of the video, hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and add a comment to what you like about the video, what you want us to do next. You can win some exciting surprises from Directions and Kids Fun and Club. Let's get started.
Let's start with the eyes.
Yeah, with the eyes. 2 big eyes. Not very big, okay? Keep it in the center so that we have some space for the hands also. 1, 2.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, that's how the eye looks like. What are you doing? Why are you coloring it like this?
No, I'll do the bigger one.
How big an eye are you making?
You're just right. Only one tooth. But why does baby long legs have only one tooth?
Okay.
Maybe he's so small that he's only 1 year old.
Yes, maybe. Now the face.
How can he stand?
A perfect round at the bottom. Okay. Wiggly hairs. Yeah.
Very small body.
Okay. The legs. Long legs, like mommy, like baby. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Mama. The hands. How many fingers?
5.
5, 3, 4. Similarly in
This was easy, right?
yeah, that was an easy one. Let's quickly Get started.
There are only two colors. One is light blue.
Started with coloring it.
The main is yellow.
Yes. It's done.
Is this a female or a male?
It's a baby.
Is it a female or a male?
So it's not a boy, it's not a girl, it's a baby.
Which is it? It's a boy or a girl?
I don't know.
It's a boy.
How do you know that?
I just know. I play this game.
Okay, I didn't tell you. Now we do the yellow color.
I got the best yellow color. I got the best yellow color.
Is it?
Yeah.
Even I got a good one.
But not as good as mine.
Here we have baby long legs. How to draw baby long legs from Poppy Playtime Chapter 2. I hope this was easy for you, fun to do. And if you had been drawing with us, do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club to get yourself featured in our videos. Yes, you can get featured in one of our videos if you share your drawings with us on Instagram. And do not forget to hit on the like button, the subscribe button that's there, and a comment below of what you want us to do next. If you like our drawings, or if you're not, what are you not liking it, you want us to do something else, something in a different way, we would be doing it based on what you tell us to do. Parikshit is also done with his drawing of baby long legs. Let's see what he does. Should we move to the next drawing, Parikshit?
Yes, sure.
What are you doing? Hello. Wow. That's nice. Something creative, right? Okay, that was a nice one. See you in the episode number 77 of 6 minutes.
Great
On this challenge. Bye bye. Have a great day.